This is Moshe here in the Tesla Model 3, and what we're going to do today is just strictly going over the screen, not the wheel, not the interior. That we'll do another video. So we're going to start from left to right to top to bottom. Okay, just follow me. Right here you have the wiper blades. I leave them on auto, but you can put them on 3 or on 2, and you see the wipers go off. And if you slide it to the right, this will be the tire pressure when you're driving, and if you go to the left, this will give you the trips. All right here, this camera is the rear camera, and you can leave it on while you're driving. This one is the charging. You can set up the limit if you'd like. You can slide this arrow whichever direction you want, and you can set it up. I leave it like at 80%. It gives you the current charge, the scheduled charging if you'd like, and the supercharging. Okay, so you exit out. This one is the microphone. You can request any song. If you press on it, you can request any song that you want. Here you can open the trunk, the charge port, or the frunk. If you press on this button, again, you back to the battery. All right, right on top here, you can lock or unlock the car. You have the home link where you set up your garage opener. You have the phones, the Bluetooth phones. I have me and my wife's, and this one, the Tesla sign. You have your information, and here is the LTE network. Now the what do you call it? The map, you can set it up for hybrid, what they call, which is the streets and the landscape, or you can just leave it as map. Here, this button will give you, actually, let me go back here. See this button, if I press it, it will give you, see the green light will give you traffic. And here, it will give you a list of superchargers near you, all right? Got it? And here are the directions. If you press here, navigate, here's my home, or you can put any other address and do navigation. All right, this is for the navigation. If you want to avoid tolls, avoid ferries, always show estimated round trip energy if you'd like. Okay, trip planner, outline routing. All right, so that is the very nice map. Let's go back this way. Okay, got it? All right, so these are the top. Right here, you have the valet mode, you have the temperature, and then you have the time on the top. All right, let's go to the most important button. This is the button. Now, you have a lot of options here, but the quick control really encompasses everything that you would need. So you have the lighting. I set it up on auto. You have the fog lights if you want. You can set it up. You have the mirrors, left and right. You can move them with the button on the left side of the wheel, left, right. Okay, mirror auto tilt is when you put in reverse, the mirror will tilt down. I don't think I like it, but I left it for now. And mirror auto fold when you park. All right, fold, you can fold it right now by pressing, or you can unfold. You can lock the window, or you can set up the brightness. See, set up the brightness however you like. Let's leave it at this, or we can leave it on auto. All right, gloves, glove compartment. Press the glove compartment open, and you can close it up. All right, so this, the quick control, is what you want, really. It's everything that you need. Now you can go individual. Here are the lights, auto on, parking or off, fog lights like we had, and the dome lights. I left it on auto, ambient lights. All right, locks, same thing. Our phones, our key fobs, window, child lock if you want to lock the window. Display, again, here are the display. Night, you can do a nighttime display. Here's the day-night display, or you can leave it on auto. I think Bjorn always leaves it on night, even during the day. That's nice, actually. I like it. I leave it on auto. Okay, brightness and screen clean mode. Driving, I love it. Here are the acceleration. Right here's on standard, which means it goes fast. Chill, if you were really, it's like chill is like eco mode. All right, steering standard. Sport, I drove once. Really have to grab onto the to the wheel and comfort if you go on highways. Regenerative, I left it on standard, which is the most aggressive. You can put it on low if you want. I like standard. My wife didn't like it at the beginning because she's not used to it. And the creep is on, slowly move when brake pedal is released. You can do it on uncreep, it will never move. I leave it on creep. Again, here's your glove box. Autopilot, my favorite. This is the distance between the cars. You can move it on show here. Here's the distance between the cars. You can do it on 3. You can do it on 4. I leave it on 3. When my wife drives, I leave it on 7. Okay, auto steer on, auto lane change on, and summon on. Now let's customize the summon. This is the bumper clearance 20 inches. Summon distance 25 feet maximum. You can make it high or low. The side clearance on standard, you can set it up for tight. Require continuous press, I left it on. And use auto home link, I left it on. So that's when you come home, the garage door will open by itself. Safety and security, maximum miles and service, towing, headlights, and owner's manual. All right, so let's move on. This is your music, your entertainment. Here's it on radio. You can actually put the radio station that you like, or you can save it. If you go right here, you can go to songs, you can go to albums, and on and on and on. Let's do it here. You can go to streaming, okay, or you can go to tuning, or you can go to your phone, the music that is on your phone. All right, let's go back to radio. That's how my wife likes it. So that's that. Now this is, I'm not going to press this button because it's going to show you my telephone contents. But once you sync your phone, it will show you your telephone content. This is your seat warmer, 3 levels. Climate control. Let's go actually to climate. You can leave it on auto or on AC or whatever. But here you can play with it. You can play with it however you like. You can do it even on dual and you can play with it. I leave it on single. Let's turn off the climate. And then you have all the directions and the speed. All right, the speed, this, and the passenger as well. I leave it in the middle. And the seats, you can control any seat you want in terms of the seat warmers. They are all can be controlled by you. Okay, got it? Awesome. Let's turn it off. All right, this is the temperature. You can go up or down. Once you touch it, the climate control comes up again. This is the passenger seat, defroster in front and back, and this is the manual volume. You can do it from, I do it from the steering wheel. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically it. Going back to the main screen is by basically pulling down and you get your screen. I hope this was helpful. If you have any question, if you forgot something, just let me know. And I'll see you next time when I do the interior and exterior. Thanks, guys.